Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back. I got 4 tips right here, and we just got this really pretty pink right here, the Maybelline Fast Gel, which I did do a review on, so you want to know how these work and everything, check that out. And yeah, this color is called Twisted Tulip 155 on this pretty like nudie peach color. Ooh, I still had it open. Is this really pretty Essie color, and it is called Come Out to Clay 663. So, and that is that one right there. This one right here is, I put this one as a base right there, and this is just an eternal polish I get off of eBay in a set, and this is called a 346 Unique. And on the top of it I use Sinful Colors, but it's called Flower Power 1519. And then this yellow one right here is just a plain old Broadway polish from the dollar store, and this is called Banana Smoothie. So it's quite a bright yellow, and I am going to be using this Creative Shop 61 plate. It's got some really pretty spring and Easter images on here. So I'm going to be using these flowers right here, which is like some sunflowers. I don't know if are they sunflowers? And then we got some bunnies all stacked up together, as you can see. And then I'm going to be using these right here, tulips. And I believe that is it. And then this is just going to be like an accent nail design. And then I just took the clear plastic off because all the creative shops just have like a clear type of plastic on them. Once you get it picked up, it's fairly easy just to like pull right off. But they do have a clear protective film on it. So let me just clean that off so we get a good pickup. And I'm going to get started, speed things up, and I will be back as soon as I am all done. Sit back, relax, listen to the music, and yeah, I will be back as soon as I'm done to take a better look at the nails, talk to you about this plate, see how it works. Creative Shop plates are always very creative with their designs. Perfect name for them, and they always pick up perfectly, so shouldn't be a problem there. But I'll be back, so stay tuned.
keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place, a place where you'll make them just be alone, be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rolled off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, chasing you. Trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. Place where you'll make them just be alone. Like it's a vibe under your spotlight.
There's a universe inside you, so won't you wake up now and see? Don't hide away the things you're feeling, unlock your mind and lose the key. There's a universe inside you, you should never have to hide. I can see the stars inside you, please just open up your eyes. There's a universe inside you. There's a universe inside you, so much more than people know. I've seen you fighting your emotion, I hope you stay and won't let go. There's a universe inside you, so much love to leave behind. Stop the path of devastation, you should live for all the hype.
Okay guys, I'm back, and while we're waiting for them to come out of the lamp, the nails I just did, I just want to say this plate worked very good. It does have some very fine lines with the flowers. Now, I didn't do any of the other images. I did use, just on the one nail, I used this butterfly and this word, yay spring, on the nail with the like speckled glitter. But that was just to give it a little something something. Actually, I think I kind of like it without nothing on it, but I don't know. I just did the color that matched like the darkest pink sprinkle in there, or glitter. But here is the nails and how they came out. I did a glossy gel top coat, and with the butterflies, I tried to look for the, like, it almost looks like they're all on top of each other, but I tried to find like spots where it almost looks like you could separate the bunnies and make, like, I don't know, like the bear spots. And I colored that in with just this CAD stamping polish. Don't really like it as a stamping polish, but it does work beautifully to like color images in, do stuff like that. So, and then here I just did the flowers. For some reason I don't think that bottom flower got on there, so I did that after stamping it all. Sorry, my voice always gets raspy when I'm talking on here. It's normally not like that. I never have to like clear my throat. It seems like it's just like when I'm on here. I don't know. Let me get a drink of my coffee. I guess it's just the luck. But and then on here with the speckled one, like I said, I put the butterfly with Yay Spring. And then here, just some sunflowers. And it looks like I didn't pick up the whole image, but let me see if I can kind of. But as you see, the flower does cut off here. And I did want to make sure that I could always add more, like grab this flower and put it here if there wasn't enough. So I made sure I got that right at the edge there where it was cut off. And then I kind of just, you know, and it fit perfectly. But that's how these came out. Really simple, really kind of easy. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and have a beautiful, blessed, and safe rest of your day and week. And I hope to see you guys come back real soon. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.